Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you top 5 hidden security features on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Go into the settings, then scroll down into security, and first we have app lock. You need to confirm with your password, and now you can lock some of your apps. So for example, the calculator, just show you. Now in tools we have calculator right here, and when I try to open it I need to confirm with a password. Now go into the security again, we have find my device, and enabling this feature will enable find device, protect and service data, support devices such as phone, tablets, earphone, glasses and watches, lets you locate, lock or even wipe lost devices to protect your data. And for your privacy, your location is only visible to you. Now when we open it, we need to just log in into our HUAWEI ID. We have a password vault, but we once again need to confirm with a password. And the password vault lets you autofill saved usernames and passwords when logging into the apps. This data is only stored on your device and cannot be accessed by HUAWEI. Next, we have the file safe. It will protect your privacy, encrypt photos, videos, music and other files for maximum peace of mind. Just click create, select the storage and create a password. And now last thing is Emergency SOS. Here, press power button 5 times for help and you can select, for example, auto SOS call. After a 3-second countdown, your emergency contact will be called until a contact answers and a pre-recorded SOS message will be played. Or you can select the auto SOS message, automatically send your emergency contact an SOS message with your current location. Here you can change your emergency contacts. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.